Good morning, everyone. Today, I will show you how to speak English when you go to the supermarket. I usually go to the super shop every weekend. First, I take my shopping bag and my wallet. Then I go to the supermarket near my house. When I enter the store, I take a shopping cart. I start from the vegetable section. I pick fresh vegetables like tomatoes, onions, and carrots. I also take some fruits. Next, I go to the dairy section. Before buying anything, I always check the expiry date on the packet. After that, I move to the rice and grains section. I put rice, lentils, and flour in my cart. Then I go to the snacks section. I check if there is any offer or discount on the items. If I find a good deal, I buy more. I also visit the meat and fish section. I buy some chicken and fish. Before finishing, I check the household items. I buy soap, shampoo, toothpaste, and washing powder. When my cart is full, I go to the checkout counter. I wait in the queue. When it's my turn, I put all my items on the counter. The cashier scans everything and tells me the total amount.
Good afternoon. I'll just scan these for you. Your total is $47.75.
All right, perfect. I pay with my card. After payment, I get the receipt. Finally, I leave the supermarket and go home. This is my usual supermarket routine. Now tell me, do you like going to the supermarket? What do you usually buy? Comment below.